Here are 3 ways dental implants can help you live a better life. The first thing dental implants can do is help you restore chewing capability. When you lose teeth, you lose the ability to go and to chew and to grind your food down. The second thing dental implants can do is help you to have a natural, almost tooth-like replacement for any missing tooth inside your mouth. With modern day ceramics, we can go and we can craft a restoration that blends into your natural dentition, so the average passerby has no idea that the tooth that's actually inside of your mouth truly is not your own. And the third thing dental implants can go and do is help bolster patients' self-confidence, especially in today's day and age where mental health is becoming more and more prevalent and talked about. It's good to know that there is something we can go to do to help patients on the dental forefront to make mental health something that you don't have to worry about with missing teeth inside of your mouth. Patients who are missing all of their teeth, either on the top jaw, bottom jaw, or both the top and bottom jaw, can benefit from having an all-on-4 or an all-on-X type of replacement by having a restoration that will stay fixed in their mouth, that they don't have to worry about taking in and taking out. They don't have to worry about using denture adhesive to keep it retained inside of their mouth. And they can have a restoration that they can go and they can brush and treat as close to natural teeth as we can get to in today's present day dentistry. If it's been recommended to you to seek dental implants, or you feel that it's a treatment that may be a good option for you, my recommendation would be to reach out to the office here at Pleasant Valley Implant and Cosmetic Dentistry to schedule a consultation or to receive a second opinion, and let us know what we can go and how we can help you achieve your dental treatment goals.